Do you want to learn how to draw? Hi there, my name is Lindsay Weirich, and in my new course, Learn to Draw with Lindsay, I'll teach you how to draw what you see without having to rely on complicated formulas and gimmicks that don't always work. I like to think of art as a tree, and the foundation of this tree would be the trunk, and the trunk would be learning to draw. Once you know how to draw, everything else becomes easier. Maybe you have painted for years, but you've always had to rely on somebody else's pattern or template in order to get started. You won't have to anymore because you'll be able to draw what you see. You'll be able to take the visual information and put it on a two-dimensional plane. I know it sounds complicated, and a lot of people think that you have to be born with this talent, but trust me, you don't. Anyone can learn. And the first 10 lessons in this course will go through the fundamentals of drawing so that you can get started off on the right foot. We'll explore a variety of different subject matters. We will work on still life, we'll work on landscape, we'll sketch people, and we'll sketch animals. By having a variety of different things to draw from, you'll be able to apply the skills that you learn no matter what you want to draw in your situation. We'll look at perspective and composition and shading and line. Once you get all of these ingredients for drawing together, you'll see that you can draw whatever you want. It's kind of like baking. You get your line work, you get your shading, you get your composition, and voila, you have a beautiful picture. After the first section of this class, where we look at your basic black and white drawing, we're going to explore onto other media. We're going to sketch in Conte crayon, which is a great bridge to get you ready for pastel work. We'll work in colored pencil, which again can help you branch on to working in color, and we'll also work in pen and ink, which is kind of a nice precursor to watercolor. So no matter where you want to go with your drawing skills, this class can take you there. Are you ready to learn how to draw? Well, click the enroll button below and I'll see you in class.